Oommen Chandy, a senior Congress leader and former Chief Minister of Kerala, passed away in Bangalore in the early hours of Tuesday. His family broke the news of his death. Announcing his death through a Facebook post, his son Chandy Oommen wrote, "Appa has passed away." Oommen Chandy was being treated for cancer at a Bangalore hospital where he breathed his last. Previously, he was being treated in Germany. A controversy had erupted then when his brother and several relatives sought the intervention of Kerala CM Pinarayi Vijayan to provide the best treatment to his predecessor. They alleged that his treatment was getting delayed and close family members were not allowed to meet him. However, Chandy refuted the reports in the media and added that he was content with the checkup. A long-time legislator representing the Puthupalli constituency in Kottayam district, Chandy was the Chief Minister of Kerala twice. He led the Congress-led United Democratic Front ministries in Kerala from August 31, 2004 to May 12, 2006 and from May 18, 2011 to May 20, 2016. In August 2022, he became the longest-serving member of the State Assembly by representing Puthupalli in the House for 18,728 days. He surpassed the record of former Kerala Congress Supremo, late K.M. Mani. The Congress veteran has served as the leader of opposition and a minister in various cabinets for 4 times during his 6-decade-long political career. An astute politician, Chandy had featured prominently in the inner party group maneuvering within the state unit of the Congress. He was also immensely popular with the masses. He had devised the Mass Contact Program to address the problems faced by the public during his term as Chief Minister. Chandy's political career saw certain controversies as well. One of these was the allegation of sexual exploitation against the former Kerala CM. The allegation was levelled by Saritha Nair, the prime accused in the solar scam case that had rocked Kerala when his government was in power nearly a decade ago. The Central Bureau of Investigation had submitted a report in the Chief Judicial Magistrate Court giving clean chit to the former Kerala Chief Minister. Sources said that the CBI probe had found that there was no basis for the woman's allegation against Chandy as there was no evidence to prove that she had gone to the official residence of the then Chief Minister.